Hello, guys, and welcome back to Stylish Naija YouTube channel. I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers. Thank you, guys, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for your love and your support. So, guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cut a perfect 360-degree flay. So, can you see? This was what we did at the end of the day. And for this project, I actually used just 3 yards of fabric. Yes, 3 yards of fabric. That's what I used for this. So I'll be showing you how to cut it today, how to fold it. That's like the very first important part. So I'll show you how to do the folding and then cutting and then sewing. So this skirt does not have any join. It just has just one join at the back. So you are going to fold it and cut it as a full flame. So like I said, this is the fabric that I'm going to be making use of. It is 3 yards of a Duchess fabric. Please, guys, if you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please, I would appreciate for you to subscribe and then leave a comment. Just leave a comment to support my channel. Thank you so much. So the first thing, I'm going to show you how to fold this. Can you see what I did? I folded the fabric. This is the fabric folded into two first, and then it is already folded into two. So now I'm trying to fold it into four. Can you see that part where my right hand is like the tip that is joint? You can see that place at the down is the side that is open. That's where the two, can you see? Just see, you can see the way I'm turning it. Can you see that top part? That's the part that is folded. So you bring it back, you just fold it into two and then bend it again. Can you see? So just take, in case you missed it, just take a good look at it and you see how I did it. So you first of all fold it into two, place it on the down and then fold it. So you can see that sharp edge now. Can you see that part is a sharp pointy edge? So from that part you can use your flare formula of, you divide it and then by 6.28 and then add it. But this, what I did, I just divided my waist measurement into four and then placed it there. So why I did this is because I wanted my waist measurement to be a little bit bigger, because I wanted to add tiny pleats to it. So that's why I did it. If not, you just use your normal flare formula and then cut it the exact waist, and then you don't have to plait anything. So you can see what I am trying to do. So at that point I'm trying to check it. So like I said, I divided my waist measurement into four and then I placed it. I just used the tape and then placed it there. So the waist I use is 34. So from that part I measured it to the down, because this fabric is by 60, so it gave me my full length without joining. I'm not going to be joining anything to it. So I had about 40, like about 45 or so, 45, or the length of that skirt there's about 45 or 46. I can't remember again. So you can see. So I'm just marking it round. So but like I said, once your measurements, as in, for, because this one sef, at the end of the day the skirt was too long, I had to cut it and cut it at the down part again. So it was really too long. So you can see. So if you want to make a very long flowing skirt and you want to use all this kind of Duchess fabric, don't even think, you are not going to join anything. So can you see the way I am folding it? The way I'm marking it rather. So at the end of the day, so I just finished marking everything. So like I said, yes, the length was 45 inches, and then I cut that out. Can you see? Just cut that out, and then I adjusted my camera so you see the top, and then I cut the top. So after cutting the top, I just placed my remaining fabric on bias, marked like 3 inches, and then I cut it out. I'm going to use this for the band. So like I said, the skirt has just one join, which is at that back. Can you see? So I used about 3 inches. So what I did, I ironed gum stay. Sorry, I used hair stay, I did not use gum stay. I ironed hair stay on my part. So this is the waist. I was telling you that my waist is a little bit big. I did it on purpose because I want it to have, I just want to plait it tiny, just tiny pleats. Okay. So this is the waistband I cut out. So after folding it into two, ironing hairstay, the other part I trimmed out like 1/4 of an inch from it. so that the band will relax. Okay, so that is why I'll show you how to fix it. So like I said, please, if you find this video helpful, please hit on the like button, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Okay, so this is it. After pleating, I've pleated it now. So at this point now, you pleat it to your waistline measurement. But if you are not pleating it, cut your waist measurement exactly. You understand? Okay, so make cut it the exact measurement of your waist. But since I wanted it to have tiny pleats. That was why I made my own waistline a little bit excess. Okay, so after pleating it, so at this point you pleat it to your waistline measurement, and then remain 2 inches or 1.5 inch for stitching allowance and your dart. Sorry, and your zip. So I cut out another fabric. I use it for lining. So the lining, I did not pleat the lining. I just used the exact waist measurement as I have it here, folded it and then cut it, and then you can see that the lining is short, and then I stitched it on top. Okay, so after stitching now, so take a look at our band, how I'm going to fix it. Can you see that one part is long and the other part is short? So you are going to fix the short part first. Can you see? Just take a good look at what I am doing. So before then, I'm going to go and sew my skirt. That's that stitch at the back. That's the center back. I'll stitch it close. So after stitching it close, now I have my exact waistline measurement. So I'm going to open the zip allowance part up to where I want my zip to reach, and then as I open it, the next thing I am going to do, I'll take that short part. That's the part that I trimmed. Can you see? So that's the part I am going to fix first. So take a good look at the way I am placing it. Can you see? I'm going to place it from the inside. Can you see that short part? I'll place it from the inside of the skirt. Do you understand? So now the right side of the band is facing the wrong side of the skirt. Can you see? I'm going to sew it round on that short part, the part that I trimmed out. I'll sew it round. So after sewing it round, this is how it will look. Then you flip it and then you bring it to the front. Okay, so by the time you bring it to the front, you see that long part, the part that we did not trim. Now you have an excess that you will be able to fold inside to cover the rough stitch of your skirt. Can you see how easy this is? So this, you can decide to just stitch everything straight, or you can decide to take it to your ironing table, iron it down first, and then you secure it. As a beginner, you can pleat, you can pin it, and then after everything, this is how it looks. Just that's just how simple and easy this skirt looks. And it is. So as a beginner, you should be able to make this after watching my video, watching Stylish Naija video. So thank you so much, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.